Hi, and welcome back to Car Training. Today we're going to go over Car's job board and how it helps you and your workflow at your service facility or fleet utilizing Car. So the job board can be accessed from the job board icon here or at the top menu. Clicking on it will open up every single open service request in your facility, giving you an instant view to everything going on. For this exercise, we're going to hone in on one. This will help us teach you how to get the most from the job board and Car. So we're going to type in 9767 into our search box here, and it will bring this service request into focus. Here you notice you have the service request number at the top left with the color corresponding to the status. If you click on this service request link, it will open up that service request in a new window for you so you can review and make changes as necessary. Going back to the job board and into that tile, you'll see there's a flag icon. We have a flag system that allows you to use colors to denote certain statuses maybe within your organization. So red might mean something is urgent or you're waiting. We leave it up to you to designate what each color means at your service facility. Eventually, we will allow you to make these custom labels along with the colors. It tells you the date the service request was created on, and your entire action menu is also available by clicking the 3-dot action menu. Here you can see you have all the same actions you would have from the service request list. Additionally, you have relevant dates, estimated service times, vehicle, client information, and phone number. If you're on your mobile device or you have voice over IP calling from your desktop, clicking on this will start that service. You also have access to Car's label system. From here, you can add labels and automatically have them display. Additionally, you can access service request notes by clicking the note icon. This opens up service request notes specifically for this service request. You can also see we have a Parts Tech and Next Part icon here. Parts Tech will allow you not only view your carts, but also place your order from this screen. Next Part will only allow you to view orders that have been placed within their console. Additionally, the service request tile lets you know that you have videos and photos attached to this service request, as well as an employee whose timer is actively running. And here is the total that this service request represents at this time. So you have this level of control over your entire shop through Car's job board and our workflow. You can search by status, job status, employee, label, flag color, or assign to you today, week, month, a specific date range. Additionally, from the gear icon on the top right, you can view My Job Queue. That will pull up any and all service requests that have been assigned to you specifically that you may have completed, are working on presently, or have not started at the moment. Also notice that you can pause the timer right from this screen and restart it on another one. Maybe if you use green to signify you're working on that service request, here's another way you can do it so everybody understands from the My Job Board view that you're no longer working on that service request, you're now working on this. Just an example of the power contained within Car's job board. If you have any questions regarding the job board and how it can help you at your service facility, please feel free to reach out to us at Car. Thank you very much for watching.